Want to unlock the secrets to scoring free Temu credit and getting your friends hooked on the hottest deals? Let's dive in. First, open your Temu app. At the bottom center, you'll see a human icon that represents you. Click this to take you to your profile. Now you're on your profile page. There's a ton of cool things to see here, but the key is to look for earn credits and free gifts. It should be near the top of the screen. Tap it. Boom. This is where the magic happens. Temu offers a bunch of different ways to earn credit and even free products by inviting your friends and family. You'll see options like Refer and Earn, Fishland, and Farmland. Each one works a little differently, but the core idea is the same. Share your unique link with others. Let's focus on Refer and Earn for now. Click on it. Here you'll see how many referrals you need to get each reward, and a share button. Click on the share button. This generates your unique referral link. You will see a bunch of options. You can send this link through WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, email, or simply copy it to your clipboard. Choose the method that works best for you. Send this link to everyone you know who might be interested in Temu. Share your referral link on social media too. You could post it to your status or send it to friends and family. Once your friends sign up using your link and make a purchase, you will receive credit. Keep track of your referrals and earn credit to see your rewards grow. With your newly earned credit, explore the massive selection of discounted goods on Temu. From fashion to electronics to home decor, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy your savings.